Hey guys, welcome back to the second video of our game programming. And actually something I kind of want to add because I'm kind of like forgot about it because I forgot to show you guys how to import the class class files that you need. And so I have I have game engine 2d.jar right here. It's probably gonna be the same name. I'm just gonna Oh well. Anyways, it's basically kind of right there, and I'm gonna hold on. Dang it, didn't mean to do that. But anyways, okay, I wish. Okay, anyways, let me just resize this really quickly. You're gonna I'm gonna show you that kind of how to do that right now. But yeah, sorry about that. So, okay, so I think I didn't explain that, but anyway, so right click on your circ right here. Go to properties. I think I'm doing this right. Yeah, resource filters. System yeah, okay. Nope. Java compiler. Run. Ooh, yeah, not really. Okay. I think you might have to right click on my world builder properties. Resource. Wait, yeah. Path. No, builder Java build path. Alright, yeah, this is what I want to do. So click on add external jars, and you're gonna, yeah. Okay, so basically, okay, hopefully I have this still open. I'm definitely sure I do. Yeah, no I don't. Just click that. Would it be that? Yeah. So basically, I have the jar file right here. So copy that. No. Copy the file. Yeah. So go to bin here, or my world builder, or wherever you put it. So basically, whenever I put my clips, it goes to this folder right here, and then this is the project that it's in. So like, you know, when you right click and you did new Java project, you kind of did that. Yeah. So so you want to go to there and make a new folder called jar, and then in there make another new folder and AP Java game and Gen 2D. It doesn't really matter where you put it. Just you have to memorize where you put it there. And I'm gonna copy that. So just make sure you copy where you basically put the jar file. And then you want to basically once you're there, press add external jars, and press Control V there. And your jar should pop up, and press open, and press OK, and it should work just fine from there. And yeah, so that's that basically. So yeah, it's building the workspace. It'll be okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's the first thing you kind of want to do here. And hold on a second here. Sorry, I kind of got a little interrupted there, but anyways, that's kind of how you're supposed to do that game engine thing. And something just disappeared here. But anyways, kind of just actually I was kind of thinking through here. I can't show you the. I was gonna show you the frame yet because I kind of want to teach this this time how to make an item. And the way you do that is if I can find here's my game. Make a new class file, and you're gonna want to call it items. Basically, constructors superclass. Just don't click that, or should I? No, you don't. And yeah, and don't just basically make a new folder, class file, call it items, and we're going to do that. So this is gonna be so you know how kind of when we had the main, we did the public static void main string args. You know how we kind of did that, you know. We had that main method. Well, this time we don't want the computer to run anything or mistakenly think that this is a main class file because it's not. It's basically just where we have our items. And so I'm going to make an item. So item, your item name here equals new item. And I think this would be an abstract class if I'm not mistakenly. Import that. Yeah, that's right because abstract, of course. And you gotta add string. Okay, so your item name here, like static final. Just do that. I'll explain what this is later, but anyways, okay, so new on CLICK, and you gotta import that. Control Shift O. Ooh. What was it on? Oh, item click. That's why. That's probably why. Item click. Yeah, import it. Okay, and left. There we go. So now we have two new things here, and another thing to import. Item click event right there. And so right now, whenever they left click or right click on it, it's not really going to do anything, but otherwise it's not really going to. Yeah. And and so basically, as I was going to explain what this public static final thing is basically the public here. It basically means that anything can view it, any class file, anything can access it basically. And the static means that you don't. So let me go to my main here. So you kind of see how we had a game engine 2D game equals new game engine 2D, and then we had to do the game setting method. So if something was static, we would do game engine. So that's like the class variable kind of dot, and anything that was pretty much static, we would be able to access there, but we do not have it to access. So if we did items dot your first item name here. Or your item name here, you can do that, but, we're not really gonna worry about that right now. Just delete that. And, this is pretty cool. And, I'm also going to add a few more things to the items, of course, probably, buffered images, you'll get to that later, how to render it. You could also store variables inside it, which is kind of why I made it abstract. But so like do int and int equals 0, whatever you want to do, pretty much. And that's pretty. Also we can't have just one item. We can also have like a public static final item. Item also, whatever. But we're just gonna start with this for right now, anyways, and don't need to worry about it. And so now in our pre-init, we're gonna have to init items and init blocks first, of course. And now add blocks and items. So game dot register item. Because we were just playing the game right now, or my game engine, at least. We want you to add this new item right now. Want you to add this item, add it to the game, so the game pretty much recognizes that item. And we're gonna do item. Oh wait, yeah, items. So that's this class again. So and then we're going to do your item name here. Because that's the static item that we created, so anything can access it. You don't have to initialize or make that class a variable. And yeah, it will work because it will add an item to the game, So it's pretty cool. And yeah, it's gonna be. And then I'm also going to add a game that register block or yeah. So why do I do that game right now? Okay, because I am not prepared at all, so public void. I'll be right with you for a second here. Alright, that's kind of easy. Now I'm going to make a new class file again in the game. New class file and call it blocks. Finished it. Public class blocks and public static final. Block your block BLOCK name here equals new block. There we go. Control Shift O, import that. Oh yes, I have a lot. Yep, it's gonna be this one, the game engine 2D blocks, and add unimplemented methods. All right. So you're gonna notice here that we don't have a well, it didn't take any really like kind of like our items here. When we said new item, we had these things here, you know, blocks. It's a little different. I didn't have any string, you know, because you know it doesn't display an item name or anything. But you see a few new things here. So we have an array of ints. So it's kind of like stuff like this. So int and int equals new int. And they got like sets, you know, kind of like in math, you know. So you got like 11, 21, 34, whatever you want. I mean, that's pretty much what it is. And that's our, this is going to be our texture basically. So when we have our, 8, so basically, whenever we have our little textures, what Java does to store its colors is it takes an int value, and like red here would be I think red would be oops, do it before here so it doesn't crash. Red would be int red would be 255 18. So this would be red here, and we're basically I think this would be, or wait, I think it's that way. I think it would be that way. Yep, it's pretty much that. So that would be red basically. And then green, I think would, or is it? No, that's 16. So this would be red. It green equals 255. That 8, and it blue. Blue equals 255, and yeah, that's pretty. It's and then like into white, so that's 255 of every color would be red, green, and blue. So that's pretty much white right there, and that would be a color that Java does, and not really gonna worry about that right now. We have a block event again too, so we got that. So you can do like a new block block event. So that's pretty cool. So that's kind of like about this. Add implemented methods. So on left click and on right click again. Oh, I should probably close this down too. Don't save. Don't save. And is solid. We're gonna return true actually. True. So basically that means people could actually like walk on it, or our characters, I guess, is actually gonna be able to walk on that. Alright, and then game register block blocks dot your block name here. And so what what the heck is it? Yeah, I think, yeah, forgot to save it. Okay, this just update, please. Are you going to? Are you going to? Slash. Okay. Hold on. Alright, so yeah, here's my game engine 2D blocks block. Yeah, that should block your block name here. Alright, yeah, that should work. So, ooh, 2D blocks to block. Ooh, wait, what? Okay, yeah, hold on a second. Let me figure out what's going wrong here. Oh, well, actually, you know, let's see your blocks. Okay, import blocks of block. Yeah, don't think it's working. Anyways, I'll hopefully get this fixed for you next time we're on, and I guess I'll see you all soon. Hopefully, and yeah, bye.